Understanding Penetration Weld, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating term from the world of engineering and welding. Penetration weld. This phrase might sound complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. So, let's dive in and discover what penetration weld really means. Before we understand penetration weld, it's important to know what a weld is. A weld is a process of joining two materials, usually metals or thermoplastics, by using high heat to melt the parts together and allowing them to cool, causing fusion. Welding is commonly used in construction, manufacturing, and repairs. In welding, penetration refers to the depth that the weld enters into the base material. Good penetration means the weld has sufficiently melted into the base materials, creating a strong bond. Penetration is crucial for the weld's strength and integrity. Now, let's combine what we've learned. A penetration weld is a type of weld where the depth of penetration is significant and well controlled. This term often implies that the weld has been done skillfully, ensuring that the joining is strong and durable. In a penetration weld, the weld material penetrates deeply into the materials being joined. The importance of a penetration weld lies in its strength and reliability. In structures or products where safety and durability are critical, such as in buildings, vehicles, or machinery, a good penetration weld ensures that the parts stay firmly joined under stress or use. I hope this video has helped you understand what a penetration weld is and why it's important in welding. Remember, language learning can open doors to understanding various fields, like engineering. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more language learning content. See you in the next video.